So here's the vtec solenoid. I'm going to be changing the O-rings that's in here, and then there's another one there. So let's get this one done, and I'll go ahead and replace the other one. They were really hard, so you can tell they were bad. Alright, got this one off. Alright, so I'm taking the old gasket off. It's really bad. And it also has metal shavings in it. You can see them there. Waiting for it to focus. Can't really tell, but there's a bunch of shavings in there. And the gasket's real flat. So let's go ahead and put the new one in. And here's the new one. Alright, so I got this O-ring replaced and the O-ring in between here and the head replaced. It was leaking, so at the bottom of the vtec cylinder you could see where it was leaking, so that shouldn't be leaking anymore. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, here's the new AC condenser. The fan was looking really rough, so I sanded it down and painted it black. So it looks like a brand new fan. Here, all that was rusted and full of clay. And then I got new bolts for it because all the bolts were messed up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the new condenser and the fan put on. So let's go ahead and put it in. Alright, so I got it in. There it is. Got it in there. That's the radiator there and the evaporator there. So I just need to connect the hoses. Alright, so here's the clamp. Go ahead and put this clamp on. And then just need to screw it in. Those bolts were rusted and broken, so I have the new stainless bolts here. Alright, got that in, and I got the bolt screwed down right there. Alright, and there goes the dryer. I also replaced the dryer right there. So that's a new compressor, a new dryer, and a new evaporator. So all that's been replaced. The only thing I need to do is get a belt and install the belt. But AC wise, AC's done. Everything's connected. All the hoses are connected. All right.